Okay, so I did a few more. And I was gonna, I was gonna quit, and then I looked at the time, and I'm like, nah, I got more time. I could do more. So this one here is the first one, and this one here is the last one. Now the thing is, like these two, and even like half of this one, don't look bad. These two down here, I don't know what the hell happened. Actually, I kind of know what happened. This one here, right in here. Yeah, I thought I had a nice puddle. Turns out I cut a big gouge in there, and I didn't even realize it. I don't know. Maybe it's because I saw this piece of aluminum that I've been using as a chill bar. Maybe I saw that through that, and I thought it was the puddle, but I don't know. It just, yeah. Yeah. So, I want to say I'm getting better, but I start getting worse. And like I said, I hate to be that bad dancer that blames the dance floor, but I think there's other factors here with some of these. Because I was getting some contamination on the tungsten. I was getting just some weirdness with it. Like in parts of this one here, and even with this one here, it started acting like a plasma cutter again. And I was getting some contamination there, so I think I do have to watch out for that. But these down here turned out pretty nice. So, progressing. It's better than these. So, all right, love y'all. Talk to you later. I'm gonna keep plugging at this.